Hello everybody, now I show about JavaScript. Okay, we can validate data. Okay, JavaScript is often used to validate inputs. Validate input, yes. Okay, now I show about the code for Java. Okay, I create a file for Java, yes, validate input, yeah, dot html. Oh, sorry, I rename, yes, number 4, validate input dot html, yes, and okay, I click yes. Okay, I open with a dream, yes. Okay, you can open another application to write JavaScript, yes. Okay, the first I open tab HTML file, yeah, doc type HTML. HTML, yes, and open tab HTML, yes, and open body and close body and close HTML. Yeah, I go to between body. Okay, now I create a paragraph. Yes, paragraph. Okay, I write a mistake. Please input a number between 1 and 10s. Okay, paragraph. Then I create a text box. Okay, I use tab HTML import ID. Yes, I use ID a num. Okay, and the type. Yes, the type I use a number. Yes, type a number. Yes, and then uh, I create a button. Yes, button. I type the button and then on click, yes, click I call my function. Okay, the name of function we create in JavaScript. The caption of button I write the submit, yes. Okay, and then we have a paragraph define the ID is a demo, yes, for the output the when I click a button, and then we create a JavaScript between open script and close script, yes. Okay, I create a function. The name function is my function, yeah, is called, and when I click a button, yeah, the function I declare to variable is rs and text, yes, and then I get the number from the user input in text box num, yes. You can get, yes, get the value input field, yes, with id equal num. Yes, it's a text box in HTML. Yeah, you can write the code. H get doc. Yeah, document dot get attribute. Yes, by num. Yes, the value. Okay, okay, and then I get the value from a textbook name. I can check the value is assigned to h is between 1 and 10. Yes, yeah, I comment for you. It is not a number or less than 1 or greater than 10. Yes, I define condition is null value x or yes 8 less than 1 or x greater than 10 tens. Yes, this condition is true. Yeah, condition is true. I define the variable text. Okay, mistake inputs not valid. Yes, okay, L L yeah L opposite about condition, and that means the value 8 is a number and 8 uh, greater than 1 or equal 1 and 8 less than or equal 10. I assign the value in post. Okay, yes, and then when check condition already. Okay, document I defines the paragraph. Yeah, document dot get element by id. Yes, demo is the id of a paragraph and this. Okay, and that yes, sorry, in the html is okay, that's equal the text. Yes, okay, and then I save. I open with a browser. Yes, very easy. You can write the beginning web developer with us. Okay, now I check is okay. I import text. Okay, this condition is true. Yes, is not number. Yes, I submit. Oh, okay, 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 demo. Okay, sorry, demo. Oh, yes, okay, demo. Yes, okay, and try again and refresh page. Yes, okay, valid. Yes, this condition is true. Yes, I import. Okay, submit. Okay, valid. Okay, because the value I want to between 1 and 10. Yes, number 2. Okay, I submit. Okay, 7. Okay, 11. Okay, valid value 0. Okay, valid value. Okay, this code for your learn beginning JavaScript for developer. Okay, you can continue with until you can uh, go to the web developer with us. Thank you for your learn with us. Thank you.